Railfanning in the Ashtabula County of Ohio. Here we are stationed in the city of, Ashtabula, Ohio, with a CSX eastbound train going into the Sunrise, with a blue switcher trailing third, which was a big surprise to everyone here. In the background, you can hear the classic clanking of what would be a diamond. Yes, QD128 has a diamond, which would be of the NS Youngstown line and the CSX Erie West Subdivision. The Youngstown line would go all the way up to the harbor where they receive different commodities, most recently or typically being stone. The reasoning for our outing for this day was we are awaiting for the CSX Office Car Special coming westward from Buffalo, New York. Here we have another eastbound train approaching us. And the anticipated train of the morning, the CSX Office Car Special, CSX P001, can be seen here rounding the curve approaching CSX QD128 with a very friendly crew aboard the train. After capturing the OCS, we would head down to the Ashtabula Carson and Jefferson Railroad. We would just manage to get one shot of the train as they were headed north to the Carson Yard from Jefferson, Ohio. The engineer at the helm puts on a great show with the Nathan K5LA on top of the cab of 7371, which is an ALCO S1, which was built in April of 1941. After roughly an hour of switching, they would return back with one covered hopper shoving all the way back to Jefferson. An American flag stands in someone's front yard, providing a great shot opportunity. As they connect to this cut of cars, that would be the work that they would do for the day before shutting off the unit. We would then have permission from the owner of the railroad to get up-close shots of their GE U23B number 2391. It was originally built for the Penn Central Railroad in 1972. It then went to Conrail, and I believe after Conrail it went to another, or maybe potentially more than one, private owners, before being bought by Horizon Rail and then being brought to the AC&J Railroad. After getting a bite to eat, we will return to QD128, catching a CSX local headed into the industrial park in Ashtabula, Ohio. To our surprise, right after, CSX C721 would depart for Erie, Pennsylvania, being notched up, putting on quite the show passing the diamond. Actually, a race would take place just right around the corner at QD124 with the industrial switching job. We would then move a little eastward to Conneaut, Ohio, and here stands a classic Lakeshore, Michigan and Southern depot with the freight depot also across the street on the north side of the tracks. If you're a local in the area, the museum is in need of help of volunteers, so make sure to check out their Facebook page and get in contact with them. Their Facebook page is called the Conneaut, Ohio Railroad Museum, and their link to their Facebook page is in the description and also popping up in the top right corner with the eye. Now we have CSX Q561, a westbound manifest train, approaching us with a YN2AC 44CW leading the way. There would be a Chessie System 86-foot boxcar, which is starting to become a rarity considering a lot of these cars getting up in age are being retired